How can you add photos to featured photos widget on the iPad? So this is probably what your lock screen or home screen looks like. You have a photo widget and it shows photos which sometimes are okay, other times you don't want to see them, and it's essentially the featured photos. So you might be wondering how exactly you add the pictures in here. So first of all, the first route is to stick with the featured photos widget and try to add them in here. For example, go to the library and make sure that the photo is favorite, so you heart it, and you kind of try to make the iPad feature the photo more. It's not wrong, but I don't like this lengthy approach. And instead, if I want to customize my photos widget, what I do instead is that I add the widget, but a different type. So if you hold it down on the home screen like this, click on edit, just like that, and you add a new widget. You as well go to the photos one. You scroll through the options, you find photos, but you don't pick the featured type of the photo widget. You scroll through the different sizes, but instead get to the album type of the widgets, which again is available in 4 different sizes. And this makes a huge difference. For instance, I added this one to the home screen, and the huge difference is that I get to select which album of photos is going to be displayed in here, whereas for the featured photos I have much less control over it. Because if I hold it down on this featured album and click on edit, well, I can choose some settings for it, but not much. Whereas for the album, I hold it down on it, click on edit widget, and I get to pick specifically which album I want to show on my home screen, right? So I click on choose, and there are a bunch of different albums I have in my gallery. For example, I don't know, the Instagram or whatever, and only albums or photos from this album are going to be displayed on the home screen, right? So I can go to my Photos app, go to the albums section, which is right in here, and I can manage it in there. For example, I can create a new album which is going to be for the widget like this. I'm going to add a couple of photos from my gallery which I actually want to show up on my home screen, like that. For example, this one, as well as something like this, right? This is a new album. And if I want those photos specifically to be on the home screen, I'm going to edit this widget and I choose the widget album to be displayed. And now exactly these photos which I selected are going to be displayed to me. So I hope it makes sense. I just wanted to explain the better approach of showing your photos on the home screen. If you like this video, just hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.